Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your Binance account number. If you're looking for your Binance account number, what you can do is firstly you need to open the Binance app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account already. So next is you need to go to your profile icon. So in order to do that, firstly you need to select this three-lined icon in the top left. So from here over here under this general, you can find this UID, that is your Binance account number here listed near your account information. This unique number is used to identify your account for referrals, customer support, and certain Binance services. And that is it. You can also copy your UID next to it beside that, and it can copy it to your clipboard. So that is it. That is how you can find your Binance account number, your Binance UID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.